AI Stocks Made Simple by David L. Wadley, a step-by-step investing series. Chapter 6, How to Pick Good AI Stocks. Choosing which AI stocks to buy is one of the most important skills for new investors. The goal is not to find perfect stocks, but to select strong companies you understand. This chapter gives you a clear, simple process for doing that. 1. Why picking the right company matters. The companies you choose will influence 1. How stressful investing feels. 2. How steady your growth is. 3. How confident you become over time. Strong, stable companies make investing easier. Weak or confusing companies often lead to frustration and panic. 2. Start with companies you recognize. A simple rule for beginners is this: choose companies you already know or use. Familiar companies are usually 1. Easier to research. 2. More stable. 3. Less likely to disappear. Examples of well-known AI-related companies. 1. Microsoft, MSFT. 2. Google/Alphabet, Google. 3. NVIDIA, NVDA. 4. Amazon, AMZN. 5. Apple, APL. If you understand the company's products, you can invest with clearer expectations. 3. Be able to explain the company in one sentence. Ask yourself, can I explain what this company does in one simple sentence? If yes, it is usually beginner-friendly. Examples: NVIDIA. They make powerful chips that AI needs. Microsoft. They make software and cloud services used by businesses. Google. They run search, YouTube, and AI tools. If you cannot explain the company simply, skip it for now. 4. Look at the long-term price chart. You do not need advanced chart skills. Just zoom out and look for 1. A steady upward trend over many years. 2. Normal ups and downs. 3. No constant crashes or wild spikes. Calm, steady charts usually reflect strong, stable businesses. 5. Read the summary section. Every trading app shows a short company summary or about section. Read it to learn 1. What the company sells. 2. How it earns money. 3. What part of the AI world it works in. If the description is clear and understandable, that is a good sign. If it is full of complicated language, skip it for now. 6. Know which AI sector the company belongs to. AI companies usually fall into groups. 1. Chips, NVIDIA, AMD. 2. Cloud computing, Microsoft, Amazon. 3. Software and AI tools, Google, Adobe. 4. Robotics, Tesla, iRobot. 5. Data and security, CrowdStrike, Palantir. Knowing the category helps you build a balanced portfolio later. 7. What makes a strong AI stock? Use this checklist. 1. Well-known company. 2. Clear products people use. 3. Steady long-term chart. 4. Real revenue, not just ideas. 5. In business for several years. 6. Clear role in AI, chips, cloud, software, etc. The more boxes a company checks, the safer it is for beginners. The key is to find the stock that the masses are overlooking, the one that is undervalued today, but positioned for powerful growth in the future. 8. What to avoid. Beginners should avoid 1. Unknown companies with unclear business models. 2. Stocks promoted heavily on social media. 3. Companies that claim to use AI but offer no real examples. 4. Stocks that move wildly every day. 5. Businesses you do not understand. 9. A simple method for choosing your first AI stock. Use this 5-step process. 1. Pick one well-known AI company. 2. Check the long-term chart. 3. Read the company summary. 4. Review recent news headlines. 5. Ask yourself, do I understand this business? If the answer is yes, you can start with confidence. Mini summary, Chapter 6. 1. Stick to companies you recognize. 2. Focus on simple, steady businesses. 3. Read the summary and check the long-term chart. 4. Avoid hype and unknown companies. 5. Choose companies you can explain easily. Now that you know how to pick good AI stocks, the next step is knowing how to use them effectively. Up next in this series, in the next video, Chapter 7, Simple Beginner Strategies. AI Stocks Made Simple. Continue to the next chapter.